Hi, I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's kitchen. Today's success secret is on how to clean fresh fruits and vegetables. It's so important for fruits and vegetables that are not going to be cooked that we clean them up in an appropriate way that's going to kill the bacteria. And that is by making a solution of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now and show you the simple way to clean some fresh fruits. I'm going to use these fresh fruits in my overnight oatmeal that we're going to make in another video. So this is about 1 part white vinegar, 3 parts water, and it's just so simple to do. First, I'm going to show you how to clean these blueberries. Now, these are not going to be cooked. Obviously, I'm going to put them in my overnight oatmeal. And to clean these and kill that bacteria, we just drop them in this solution. Let it set for just a minute or two. Now, since this is a vinegar solution, we don't want our fresh fruits or vegetables to taste like vinegar. So the next step to this is to rinse them under cold running water, which I'm going to do right now. And we're going to rinse all of the vinegar solution off of these. Now, this solution is a 99% kill of harmful bacteria. The main harmful bacteria that we have to be concerned with our fresh fruits and vegetables is Salmonella. And this solution is going to kill that. So, we would just let this drain before we would put it in our overnight oats. Now, I want to talk just a minute about, let's say, fresh fruits that we're going to peel. Cantaloupe or apples, if we're going to peel those. Some people have the mistaken idea that as long as you peel them, you're going to be safe from any harmful bacteria, but that's not true. Unless you put your fresh fruits like this through this solution, you're going to get that harmful bacteria on the inside of this fruit whenever you take your knife and cut through to peel it, because the harmful bacteria could be on the outside of this, and once you cut through that, then you're going to get it on the fruit that you're going to eat. So again, for this apple that I'm going to use in my overnight oats, I simply put it in this solution. I leave it in for a minute or two, then take it out, rinse it under cold running water to rinse all that vinegar off. And then I'm just going to let it drain. Now, what about fruits or vegetables that we're going to cook? As long as we're going to cook those, that's going to kill the harmful bacteria. But we do need to clean them. So let's take this sweet potato. I'm going to bake this later today, but I need to clean it. So I'm going to put it in the solution of the vinegar and water. And then I want to take my vegetable cleaning brush, run this under running water, and brush this really good to get any dirt or residue off of it. I'm going to do the same with a regular potato, a regular baking potato. Rinse it off, put it in the solution, kill that bacteria, and then use my vegetable brush to brush off any of the dirt that might be on this potato. All right, so there you have my success secret for how to clean fresh fruits and vegetables.